In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your iPhone as a webcam. So this is actually really easy to do. You just need to open up an internet browser on your computer, and from a search engine, go and type in droidcam and then press enter. You can then click on this top website, which is droidcam.app. Now from here, we're going to scroll down the page and click on install the droidcam client on your computer. Next to Windows, click on Windows Setup. You can then click on this setup file. Now that should begin downloading. So if I click on my downloads in the top right hand side, we can go and open up this executable file. Now we just need to go through the steps to install this onto our computer. So I'm going to press next, click on I agree, and then press install. Now just give that a couple of seconds while it installs to your computer. And once it's finished installing, we can press finish. You can now just open up your start menu and go and open the droidcam client. Now once you have this open, we're just going to head over to our iPhone and open up the App Store. Click on the search box, and in the search box type in droidcam and press search, and then you need to press the get button to download this to your iPhone. Once it's finished downloading, click on open and then press continue and then press OK. Now it's going to ask would like to access the camera, press allow. Also press allow to the microphone and then just press ask app not to track. You can then press consent, and when you get this local networks pop up, make sure to press allow. Now once you've done this, you can head back over to your computer and click this black window here to add a device. Now as long as your computer and your iPhone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, then it's going to appear in this list here. So I can simply click on my iPhone and then click on add selected device. And now as you can see, my iPhone is being used as the webcam on my computer, and it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.